Hey guys, welcome back to the AGF Design Studio channel. Today, we're going to be drawing together in Procreate. This is a piece that I created for my website as a way of introing potential clients to my client process. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So here I'm going to start with my guides. These help me provide a strong foundation for my letters. I've got 2 other videos on how to use guides and why they're important for your lettering, so I'll link those in the description box below. Here, I'm going to be adding weight to my letters. A nice trick that I like to use is duplicating my previous layer and filling in. It's a quick and easy way to add weight to your letters. Now on to my favorite part, details. You can add any number of elements to add details to your final piece. Consider these the next time you add details to your piece. Color, illustrations, drop shadows, and flourishes. These are all nice ways to add a little bit more to your lettering piece. Alright guys, thanks for joining me and watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Did you like this video? Do you have any questions? Let me know in a comment below. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.